So we got the top of the airlift, getting ready to head to the water park. A beautiful view. Ooh. Holla! The nice view of Mountain Creek. A nice scenic view. And going all the way back down on the airlift. Hola! Oh, Mountain Creek, oh, Mountain Creek, can be a beautiful day at the park. Oh, Mountain Creek, oh, Mountain Creek, can be a beautiful day at the park. And then we got, recording, yeah, still recording. Bike path. The beautiful view of Mountain Creek. Oh, say, can you see? Oh, stay. The exit is. People are going biking today. Nagas roller coaster that's coming up opens at 2 o'clock. Hopefully, I'm gonna catch the first ride after I go to the water park. Show you what the ride looks like in a second. So this is the ride. There's only one roller coaster in the park. This ride opens up later at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The tracks. It's called Alpine roller coaster. This is what the ride looks like. Check this out. Isn't that just cool? The roller coaster for 2 o'clock in the afternoon. There you have it. I smell water, I smell love. I smell water, I smell love. The water. Better go for a dip also. The view of the water park from the airlift.